So hello insiders, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dennis, and then today we are going to be unboxing one of those products, that is the DELL VOSTROs. It's actually a nice product, well, per the reviews that I've seen, right? So I'm actually going to test it and use it and actually give my reviews on the product too, right? So if you're new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, click on that bell icon, and then hit on the notification button so that you actually get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's get right into Alright guys, so we are almost here. So what do you have here? That's the charger. And then what else do we have? This is quite small than I thought. But anyway, it will do. It's actually not a gamer machine, so I shouldn't have expected anything big. So 3, 2, 1, and then voila, here we go. I actually like how they'll actually pack their products, you know, having this thing to actually guide the laptop so that nothing actually happens to it, right? So here at so that's it. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see the VOSTRO's 15 3510, right? Yeah, so that's it. Here we go. So I'll gently remove this and remove this one too. And then here we go. So guys, this is it. It's actually not that heavy. It's quite a beautiful laptop actually. Looks kind of flat for me, and then it's not that heavy. But I think one thing that I'm not getting to like is, see, just right now it's leaving marks. I think the finishing material is something that I don't like. For a start, yeah, it's something that I don't like because it's already leaving marks on the product, right? Yeah, so I think there is a fingerprint reader for this laptop too. Yeah, not bad. The touchpad is very big. I like it anyway. And then the keyboard is not something to really talk about, but I think it's quite good. But I don't actually like, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like it anyway. Yeah, so let's see if it came with battery on. Trying to turn it on to see, but no. So guys, for some unfortunate reasons I lost some part of the video talking about the specifications of this laptop, but anyway, I'm going to put them in the description, so kindly do check them out. So guys, I'm actually done with every setting. So yeah, so this I'm actually liking it anyway with the Windows 11 too. So thank you very much for watching this video, and then if this video you find it interesting, kindly make sure to subscribe to the channel, and then yeah, see you in my next video, and then ciao.